Hey there, woodworkers! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to clamp two pieces of wood together but don't have a helping hand to hold them in place? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how to use the wolfcraft one-handed clamp to make this task a breeze. This nifty little tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to make their woodworking projects more efficient and effortless. So, let's get started. Imagine you're in your workshop and you need to clamp two pieces of wood together, but you only have two hands. You could ask someone to help you, but what if you're working alone? This is where the wolfcraft one-handed clamp comes in handy. The wolfcraft one-handed clamp is designed to make clamping wood together a one-person job. It has a spring-loaded mechanism that allows you to easily adjust the pressure, and the quick-release trigger makes it easy to remove the clamp when you're done. Plus, its compact design means you can use it in tight spaces. Using the wolfcraft one-handed clamp is super easy. First, align the pieces of wood you want to clamp together. Then, place the clamp over the pieces and adjust the pressure by squeezing the handle. Once you've achieved the desired pressure, lock it in place using the trigger. Aside from making your woodworking projects easier and more efficient, the wolfcraft one-handed clamp has a few other benefits. For one, it's made from high-quality materials, so it's durable and long-lasting. It's also versatile and can be used for a variety of different clamping tasks, including holding objects in place while you work on them. So, there you have it, folks. The wolfcraft one-handed clamp is an essential tool for any woodworker who wants to make their life easier. It's easy to use, durable, and versatile, making it a must-have in any workshop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks.